BWEN hangover candidate, CVNA charts up, will prob start to work out of it today, SHC would like a pop out of the open to start bearish swing, BBAI just another pump but it looks like still on dips but prob scalps only, NTB there, else intensity stock watch scanner knows what I like, good luck everyone. Like at B1.
Oh boy. Well, after the yesterday, if nobody paid media, feel free to take a look at my P&L chart. Ran into Neon yesterday afternoon. Went a little apeshit on it. Did not work out well. Chestina Jag AJ.
According to Charlie.
That's 920.
Calling down with
Like
a slight chance
FB1.
of chop.
Down.
Look.
Good morning and good luck.
Good luck. Good luck.
Oh Lord God.
Hello, Tim.
That was the most robot you've done all morning.
Hello?
Good morning, Jaggy. We're all here. Except for Thomas.
Good morning, good morning.
Oh, there he is. My day can progress. Watching AAL, Affirm, Coin,
Right.
top 3.
BBBY. Kern. BBAI. XPON.
I would like to say that none of those top 3 are doing what I wanted them to do yet.
Really doing anything.
Everybody's trying to digest that market.
President Biden to
info.
deliver remarks on the economy.
Actually, good volume on Affirm. For once.
Bluetooth is dying.
course, one that I didn't put up today, but you know what? I'll take JKAS off because I don't really love that.
XPON.
Futu doesn't look that appetizing either, though.
OGI.
See, have him jag. It looks like a
Nope, I don't.
XPON.
Nelson
Futu
Pelt
has a dying
says
jag.
Disney has to
You
buy
should have
Hulu
jumped in when he called it.
or get out of the streaming business.
It's got room down to 46.50-ish.
That's
No
no India
volume.
Sandy.
Is there no volume in that one? I don't have it on the right chart.
340.
Nope, I can't take that then. You know me.
LPTH.
Boom. Boom. The firm is not doing what I wanted.
Died.
XPON.
You're right, no volume on that.
EPAI. Hey, you want to long me for a breakout? Oh, I'm sorry.
I don't think I looked at the right chart.
AMV.
Say PPAI?
BB.
Oh, I
It's the
gotcha,
one.
gotcha.
Heisman.
Oh, I didn't even notice that one. My scanner will not pick that up.
YTEN.
Alright.
See?
CTSH lower volume.
There. Does Futu have any more volume, Jay?
No. It's at 379 now. So it went up.
Jeez, dude, why can't I get volume?
Autofilled.
Starter.
Kinda interesting.
Like, by the way, it's jumping all over the freaking place.
Starter. CTC.
ORMP.
It's actually pretty
There's a
extended.
Bed Bath and Beyond BBBY popping here, $4.
I literally was concerned that my
Yankee.
my charts were frozen with Futu.
AMC also getting up spike
And
at
it's
the
and it
open.
just went up 50 cents.
Alpha Michael
Order
Charlie.
cancelled.
Oh no, when it made that
Autofilled.
move, it just
Dollar.
stopped. I was like, what are you doing?
So that worked okay for you.
Yeah, it wasn't my favorite. So it's
LPTH.
small. Really want to size. Try to X. It's all the meme stocks. He's talking about going bankrupt.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Makes no sense.
White
They've
House
already
official
hired,
says the
third-party
CPI
group to start it.
confirms the possibility of a soft
Weren't all
landing.
the meme stocks moving yesterday or the day before?
All out of CTSH.
LPTH. LPTH.
White House official says data show that a transition to stable growth is feasible. Nelson Pelt says on Disney's parks, say they probably pushed the price too hard. Parks probably need more capex.
Smack.
Hey, I was right. Is it? I haven't even looked at it.
Oh, firm's dying too. Did you see that?
I know, and I'm actually making some lines on that as we speak, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do there. Need a pop. Definitely need a pop.
Really want to go bigger, but stick to my guns. I need that or high probability. CTSH, low volume. Obviously, it would have. I played a couple last night. What a difference the flea is, because you can just get all those for the hideout. Those started up. Get stuck with only sell 2 things at a time on the long time. I have to get up to. It's kind of silly.
Okay, TA, Okta. Hearing some comments from Gordon Haskett regarding a potential activist.
Ooh, Futu.
That's Oscar Kilo Tango Alpha.
XPON.
S&P 500 down 0.1%, NASDAQ down 0.2%, Dow flat after the open.
Today.
Where'd everybody go?
You sure it's on XPON? Or I may have asked that already. I don't know.
Pretty sure we don't. I looked at that earlier. No.
Which one?
XPON.
Steve might.
COMM.
Let's go. This one could.
DCRD.
NOTV is starting to make a run again. It's off the bottom, but
It AMD straight down today. I wasn't able to grab any of that.
Kern.
I think the same.
Kern.
No TV for it's 760.
CLF stalking, Big Co.
Went up and touched it, but didn't give it to me. Now it's at 738.
No shares for me on FPON. What's he got?
Later.
Nothing. Nothing else right now.
I should have just whack attacked AMD out of the bell, but not my move.
Short. Damn.
Yeah, you'd be doing well if you did.
No, I still just, I'm gonna miss this. They're not for me. But straight down out of the bell. I don't have a plan for it. It's just, I can't do it. I've been trying to figure that one out for a couple weeks. Coin, same thing. I had the same mindset on both of them, but I wanted to push up first. They don't give it to me. I just can't take it. Started in this AFRM.
The conservative argument is that guns were written in the Constitution because the founding fathers thought if all the citizens have guns and the government wants to do what they say, also people will rise up and fight the government, right? Which they legitimately idea.
AFRM.
Communists are still people now hoarding weapons, thinking that at some point they may need to take on the American military, and they think they have a shot, right? And look, maybe they're right, which is why I'm proposing we test their theory and once a year have a head-to-head showdown. Say 100 members of the NRA versus, I don't know, 2 members of the military. Broadcasting on Fox Christmas Day. Like, Merry Christmas, welcome to the 2022 NRA Military Showdown. Let's go down to the field of battle and meet one of our NRA combatants. Sir, what's your name? What kind of weapon you work with? So my name's Andy Baker, and I got an AR-15. We're in Kevlar head to toe. Andy, how confident are you? Scale 1 to 10. Fucking a million. We're gonna check in with the military.
LOLCLF. Miss here.
I preempted that break. I know what you're looking at. That's what I was looking at too, but I just had to stop at 11:15.
Yeah, it's equipped with 8 Hellfire missiles and a high-power camera. As you can see on this monitor, the NRA fellas are actually just one big cluster. So I'm gonna
risking 6 cents.
Oh yeah, so I'm gonna hit this button right here. Yeah, now they're all dead. The conservative argument is that guns were written in the Constitution because the founding fathers thought if all the citizens have.
Took a little off there. Oh crap! I had less than I thought I had in this. Oops.
Maybe
okay.
but your keeps cutting out. Everyone else is clear.
Unintentionally.
I think it might just be because I had it far away. The noise gate might have been kicking in a little too much. Sorry about that. Is it better now? Sometimes if I just have the mic too far away, it'll...
Oh, okay, it just stuffed me out. Cool. Small one. I'll take it. I just messed up with that stop I just put in too. that was a series of bad
MR, what's going on?
What are you guys watching?
Let me try.
What are you in?
NOTV.
That's the one we didn't have shares on, Tim.
Yesterday we have 68,000 as.
Ugh. Okie dokie artichokes. Oh, looks like a good sell on Ephraim. I'll post in a little bit because I'm trying to find something in coin.
MMV.
MMV 6K.
MMV, if you got them.
No, that was
MMV.
Of course. It's the one I would be exponentially sizing into. Still would have wanted the pop through for. Just to get away from the area.
MMV.
Of course, HTB.
Don't like this. I should have been in coin way up here. I'm not going to jump in way down here.
So pretty.
Spy still dropping, I assume?
yeah.
Pop through 4, right back. Resistance like instantly.
I just allowed it no TV. Just didn't like it doing. It's probably gonna
That's the A plus move right there. I mean, that was more of like an A because it didn't give a big pop through.
No TV.
4,
like,
but
I don't have a television.
Yep.
Okay.
How you doing, MR?
Just
I
clarify.
think I said that already, didn't I? Said chilling. Yeah.
Oh, what did that? Ooh, hell, did that do anything?
It's ones
yet?
like that
No,
on
it's still
MMV
setting
where
up.
I would have
Cool,
definitely
cool.
felt.
Mark. 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 Mark.
Hi, Mark. Can't trade you anyway.
Mark. 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 LPTH. LPTH.
MV.
MMV.
Straight on. This resistance.
Got no shares there, huh?
I would have already in and out. Thinking about getting back in.
I'm watching the safe guys, ALs. Interesting.
Yeah, type ticker stuff. Keep adding letters.
Hmm?
Keep adding letters while I'm typing tickers in.
Sounds like a you problem, Jag.
It is a me problem. A very bad me problem.
There. April wasn't
Tad.
doing much.
An idea about yesterday with the whole buying power thing.
Mm-hmm.
Or if there is an option, add to /mod.
Do
AAL, American Airlines, off the highs now.
Tell us,
16,
like,
13, up
if
5.25%,
it's restricted somehow.
following their strong guidance earlier. Alpha Lima.
I think they would be able to.
S&P
I have
futures
100 million
continuing
things
lower now,
to add to it, so
39.6150.
it's slow.
crit? I mean, dude, how big did you get on that one that we were both in at the end of the day? That one was
600
also
shares. Yeah, I saw.
that was restricted.
Yeah, but it was double the price, and it's at 100%. But yet, I still was able to get 600 shares. I don't know
That's
if I
crazy.
ran into buying power issues there or not. I don't even think I had a chance to add again because I hit my max loss.
Gotcha.
It's MM.
When I was looking at that, I'm like, this says 100% off the bat. I'm like, crazy, because it looked like you had a lot of ads.
Well, they were all
PDD.
pretty much same share lots. Like I just started with 100 and then I added 100 times.
Gotcha.
Basically a 1-3. Then I did a 200 up top. So stupid. And if I would have just only added 100 there that second time instead of probably fine. I shouldn't have been in that first place. If anything, I should have been in after that first halt, which I also probably would have ended up fine.
Well, that first halt was like, what, $1 up or something stupid?
Like $1.50.
Yeah. I didn't even see that, dude. I came in after it was already up there, and it was on the daily just into a bunch of resistance.
Yeah, I literally sat down 2 seconds before it went off on the scanner. I pulled it up. It was about coming up to the halt price, so I just front ran it by a penny, and it filled me and then halted, and then all of a sudden it's saying whatever $1.50 up was, and I was like, what the heck? I was like, I guess I ran into some news.
Been there, done that. That was my big loss that one time, dude.
Sucked. Then of course it wasn't like came out of the halt and went right up to another halt. It like played around, and I was like, well, it's playing around. I'm gonna get my size and my average up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then it right after it played around for like a couple 30 seconds, that's when it shot up, and I was like, and that's when I knew I was in deep shit, because then it gapped up again, and I realized that my unrealized was almost enough to hit my max loss without even giving it a chance if it unhalted where it said it was going to. I was like, well, I can't have that. So I went in and changed my max loss like an idiot. and it
Oh,
went up,
crap.
gave me more room, so that's why I added those shares up top like I did, thinking that might be the top because it did the same thing out of that halt. It never halted up again, but hitting those shares on the way down is what caused it to stop me out when it went back through the highs because I hit my max loss.
I got you, man. I got you.
Fucking show. Absolute shit show.
No, coin going straight up sideways. PDD with a pop a little bit here. I'm kind of watching that one.
So there's a
BGRY.
Only the shares. I like PDD.
B-rate is stuff.
What are you talking about?
I'm just looking at stuff on.
Oh, how to do that thing you were saying? What is that on IB? Is that what you're talking about?
Yeah, it's the same monitor where we check how many shares we have available.
I started doing it on my phone. Which is not that hard, actually.
Realize it's as simple as just opening some type.
I know, I just have to download it and do all that. I have another platform running.
Oh my god, it's so hard to do. Something you have to go out of your way
It's just
for.
one, yeah, and it's one little window. It's like a montage, basically.
I get it, I get it. I'll do it.
No, you won't.
2024.
I did it on my phone yesterday with that, what is that stock called? The one we got you. Dash, run, something weird. I can't remember.
Neon? The one from
Neon, that was it. I had to pop on there because we did have lower shares on that too.
Yeah, it was like 110 going.
Yeah.
So, dude, there was everything
I
telling
just
me
don't know
not to
how
trade
you
that.
added that quick with it being SSR. I was like, you must have a button that can do it.
I do.
Yeah. I have to put my order out, so it's like putting an order out. I'm not changing that. I don't want to be able to get in an SSR stock fast. I want to have to just be, this is where I want in. If it doesn't work out, I'm getting the frick out. On the rare occasion that one of those set up and look okay for me. PDD. That's kind of interesting.
That representative that.
Really, I don't like it.
I kind of do. It's got room down to 90.78, which is a good $1.50 away. But if it keeps going up, I can't get it.
Rent go gog o.
IZEA announcing Q4 22 managed services bookings of $7.9 million. That's India Zulu Echo Alpha, IZEA.
Man, these stocks. What you watching, Jag?
Nothing.
RENT
Watching
runway
Rent.
launched Love and Design Collective, collective with Amazon.
Like pay the rent?
Fashion. That's Romeo
EWEN.
Echo November Tango and Alpha Michael Zulu November.
Back to the B win, huh?
Shares of Rent the Runway popping on $4.19.
I actually like Rent better, but I can't do anything with Rent, so.
Volume on Rent's a little less spotty.
The NSC up.
Open for yesterday's highs, but
BWEN up.
BWEN, I guess I'd be same thing.
I like it over 470.
Yesterday's highs 5, Alt's at 4.
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's going to get there though.
Really hope Brent went for it.
You were hoping Rent went? Sorry. I said I'm sorry.
This side doesn't look good.
A-Firm with a really decent pop back up, man. This thing might run.
Yeah, I just saw that.
A-Firm was kind of tempted to long it. Not gonna lie. I know that's not rangy, but it's got a lot of room above it.
A-Firm kind of acting like the SPY.
Yeah.
Is SPY going up?
Yeah. Chart looks similar.
There hasn't been much in the way of halts today, huh?
No, I think because today was more SPY news. I think that's taken some of the attention off the low floats. We had the CPI numbers. What's that?
Was somebody supposed to talk today?
The NSC 91 KTB here.
Oh crap. No, see, nobody's talking. I told you.
Who the hell wants to hear his?
Yeah, I doubt he's on right now, though.
I don't know how that classified documents got places, and I moved it a bunch of times.
I think this was about economy, not about his aides finding secret documents in random spots.
Yeah, they'll ask him about it, he'll fucking run away.
I kind of heard about that, but I didn't. I like caught the tail end of whatever that news was.
Yeah,
When I first heard about it, I thought they were trying to blame it on Trump. That was left over from the previous president.
But he's got it like in his private offices and shit places. And now they're saying that it got moved like twice. All the secret documents. But it's no big deal. It's not the same.
Oh, and did you see that they're trying to pass like a bill so that they can't look into politicians like their records for trading and stuff? It's not that they can't look into it. They're trying to just make it harder to like kind of audit stuff.
Of course. They get to do whatever the fuck and what they want.
Yeah, they're getting a little too close. We should probably make a couple bills to push them away a little bit. Like, it's sad to think that that's exactly what they're doing.
Yeah, or they put it out there and nothing ever happens from it, and then people believe that something's happening about it.
Well, like the farmers and the John Deere stuff.
Depends on what you're pertaining to.
Well, supposedly there's a thing out where they're telling them that they want a case that now farmers can work on John Deere equipment without losing like stuff or whatever. But nobody, no actual farmer has confirmed it. It's just like all these media outlets saying that it happened.
Right now,
that happens
51%
all the time.
Alpha Golf.
They'll pass a bill,
Bravo
but then
Alpha.
nothing will ever happen from it. You never hear anything after the fact.
Bed Bath & Beyond going
And
again.
shares halted again.
We've been on a tear, huh?
Yeah.
Age. Hoover, but 0.
LPTH.
You have any kind of MTTR? I do not.
Says we do.
MTTR up, go gago.
You need more.
No,
But
I don't want that to do.
yeah, that's not one for you.
That range isn't there, bro.
Coming up at
I'm not going
10:30,
in 2,000 shares to make what I
natural
want.
gas storage, a draw of 221 BCF expected.
Not gonna do it.
Look at NOTV. Decided to go high day. 780s now.
Skin is actually
ENSC.
Here we go again with the low volume overs.
Yeah, no volume. But I mean, it's nice. It's starting to go.
Oxy made a pop, Jack.
Did it? You know, I haven't looked at that one in a long time.
I actually looked at it yesterday and was like, yep, this is why I haven't looked at it. It hasn't really done anything in a long time.
like 320 there. So slow.
ADCT.
Baiting on NOTV, but didn't do it. Now it's dropping. Wanted a little more.
I wanted up through 8 on that.
Yeah. I debated at 780 though, and I said, no, I need more. Not that it got there to 780 anyway.
Same with the
Even
MTTR. I wanted up through.
Yeah.
It's just, they're all so slow. Like the skin as well. It's like virtually straight up.
No. That wasn't. There's no volume. They really had one decent candle all day. That was about like 9:30, 9:35. But it's just grinding higher. Go figure, right?
That's the part that always gets me. It's like, who pulls that chart up and is like, all right, I guess I'll go ahead and buy some.
I know.
The ones that just do that all day, they just hire all day. It's like, who is buying?
And who's smart enough to make a bunch of money on it?
Well, that's what I'm saying. It's like, I feel like the people that are making money on it are either long-term investors or or the people that are buying it, I should say, not necessarily. Yeah. It's like they're long-term investors, or they're just people that are getting lucky and they don't really, I guess, have an overall sense of work.
Yeah.
Which it's like that gift that was in yesterday. Like, you know, there's people out there that are just like that.
Yeah.
Got this MTTR up. Still.
ADCT.
The one I'm most interested in. It's the only one. You don't have shares on this one?
No. I know you don't really look at the 9. It's just moving up right with it, keeping it basically 7 cents difference from where it is.
I have the 13 up. It's at
TTR. Yeah, because my 9 is at 308 right now.
Watching Oxy.
On that one.
SAVA, Cassava Sciences, the August 40 calls
Gonna
now
do something.
active. Charlie Sandy Alpha, Victor
Yeah.
Alpha, SAVA.
ADCT.
Tempted by NOTV if it gets over 8. It scares me for some reason right now.
I once again have a market that's not really telling me to jump in things.
Good thing you didn't go into a firm long.
You
Thought
watch
it
the
was
CNN.
terrible. Didn't do what you want.
What's wrong with that?
Got you. CTSH is right into the 200 on the daily.
70.
Yes, it is. Right at it.
Mm-hmm.
Skin, Oxy, MTTR, ACE,
ATVI,
ADCT,
Activision,
all are just
Blizzard, marching,
grinding
5
straight up.
calls active. Alpha Tango, Victor,
I mean, skin.
India.
God, it's only 700,000. Well, not even. But
Yeah, that ADCT, same. That one's not really. You in this, Thomas?
Yeah, I started.
you're an Oxy.
Roger.
What are you at?
52.
ADCT.
Order filled.
LPTH. EYPT.
Like a small starter. Yeah.
ADCT. ADCT.
Order filled.
Some there.
Oh, just die.
Are you all in Oxy?
I'm not.
No.
Hey, both of them are.
Yeah, I'm
I
down
am
the
too.
leftovers.
Yeah,
Coming
not
up
down
at
the
10:30,
leftovers.
natural gas storage,
your
a
average?
Like
draw of
65.
221 BCF is
65.
expected.
Got on the breakdown, 65.60.
ADCT.
BLW Corning share is popping to the high 36.73. The March 37 calls active in Golf Lima Whiskey.
That candle was nice.
AGBA share as we zoom. More volume coming in now.
I'd
Alpha
like
Golf
this
Bravo
thing to go all the
Alpha.
way down here to like 65-ish. Gotta get below 50.
ADCT up.
CT up. So with it.
There it goes. Dump.
Watching Pac B.
$5.83 on AGBA, up 69%.
BGRY.
I haven't traded Oxy in forever.
Guess I should have got into NLTV. Just didn't like what I was doing.
BGRY.
Still on this, Thomas?
Yeah, not liking it.
Me neither. I actually debated taking that off, but I can stay below 50. I'd get a lot more.
BBAI, a note from William Blair, says they're still not receiving they still may not receive a single dollar from the Air Force. That spoke to our analysts. This means BBAI was down selected to a smaller group of companies competing for the contract. There are about 70 vendors. I think our analyst thinks the stock should only be up marginally. That's from William Blair.
Yeah, it needs to be below 50 and stay there, dude.
That's Bravo Bravo Alpha India.
I'm putting the stop in, so I have no emotion about this. Now 3 cents above my entry, the rest of my shares, so no emotions.
Just got in Pac B.
Pac B, there's another one. I haven't seen him forever. What's going on today?
Order partially filled.
Oh.
Order filled.
That got me.
Not
I'm out.
Oxy.
Me too.
I jumped out.
Hey, and we all traded that kind of someone.
Oma.
I ain't riding it back up.
APPH.
That did not give me the drop that I would have liked.
At least you were green on it, Tim.
Oma.
Yeah.
Oma.
I was not.
That was greenish, I think. Maybe break even. Kind of a pointless trade. If I lost, I didn't lose a lot.
Yeah, I think I took a 10-cent loss on it.
No, I didn't even take that. Because I did take some out of the bottom. I'm like, if I lost, it was not a lot.
BGRY 17K.
Where you were
Got me
taking
for
off,
3.
I was adding in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's Oxy, man. That, and I haven't traded in a while. I don't. And honestly, where I really wanted that to go, I didn't say, but like 66.50 would be cool. I'm like, that's where I'd like it more than where I got it.
When I got in, I was cutting it right there at high day. It was either working there or not.
Yeah, that one wasn't there. I'm gonna stick with this one.
Because if it attempted a little pullback there and went higher, to me, that's grinding. I wasn't about to be a part of it.
And you know what Oxy can become. We all do.
ADCT would have just snowball.
ADC.
IMAV up.
Double top on Oxy though, maybe? I don't know. I'm gonna stay away.
Yeah, I'd need a whole new out of that one.
What was drag trading? Pack B?
APAC.
Yep.
What was that one that was going right into the 200 on the daily I had mentioned? It was something Tim traded earlier. Tim, your first trade, what was that?
BTSH.
CTSH.
CT, thank you. Still chilling
GBA
right there at
halted
the
again
200.
on a
That's
circuit
scary.
breaker. Alpha Golf Bravo Alpha.
Yeah, I'm not gonna start that one. Yeah, that Pack B jag, that is a pretty big move from down here at like
There's on the way
970.
down now, $5.04 halted on a circuit breaker. Alpha Golf Bravo Alpha.
Yeah, but it sucks.
It's not doing anything.
Sitting.
Jag, you're my favorite trader.
What?
You're my favorite trader. Yeah, but it sucks.
Because it's not doing anything.
I know. I just think you're funny.
I mean, it has
You make me happy.
volume
Plenty of looking.
going on, but
Yeah, I think he's a sexy man. I disagree with you on that one, but
Yeah, I take back my. Just totally lying through my.
he's like, you are the sexiest man I know, Jag.
I get that a lot.
It sucks so bad wanting to size up and you can't
And
find
rightfully
anything to
so,
do it.
bro.
Knob.
One.
66.97.
That one earlier, but we could. MV. Gave you two moves too. Went to like 4, this move here, 420 exactly, all the way back down to 3. Up to 435, all the way back down to.
What you looking at?
TVBY, Bed Bath and Beyond, the weekly 4.5 calls now. Bravo, 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 Yankee.
Good morning, Aurora.
Not even going up.
Did I wake you?
Knob.
Flush the toilet. You still in that pack, BJ?
Yeah. But not a 9.
I'm not
TSLA Tesla, Tesla Roddy reported Tesla
I'm not really
representatives
looking at
from
it, so I
Giga
don't
Berlin
know
have
what
been
you're
invited to meet with
looking
German
like there, but
leaders.
I'll give it that.
That's Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
took that one off to watch stupid CTSH.
PACB up. Ari as well.
Over 20.
Yeah, it's starting to extend a little bit, huh? What's the volume on it?
At 1 million currently. Only getting like 100K
ARRY,
of a
Array Technology, shares at the highs
handle.
23.21. Alpha Romeo Romeo Yankee. Up about 3%.
Just die.
AGBA resumed.
Back in Oxy.
What about 50?
Right under you. 48.
Yeah.
Ugh, I knew I should have had a bigger size, but that was a chicken.
It is
Whatever. I only went in 200 on it, so it is what it is. Like that tip down to 65 would be really cool. Man, there's a lot of reason for it to go down, man. It's old.
Ray's still going, huh?
I think.
Launch here. 70 still in the. Hoping for some kind of speed out of it.
Yeah.
ARRY.
Nothing like 40 cents for, is that not that stock?
It's 20.
Oh, okay, there's something else I looked at yesterday. It was like 23 cents. It was like something like that. It was one of those tickers we used to play a lot. And I remember thinking like, how the hell did this get down here? I think CTSH is going to give everything up right here, but
Coming up, natural gas storage.
Because I am in Oxy.
Consensus previous of draw was a draw of 221 BCF.
All right, Oxy, you're either going to you're making me money one way or another now. I'm not letting that go back. I have not had a big day today.
ENSC.
Oh, CTSH, man, that's the one.
Honestly, right this second, I don't know. But I know I want to start making over $100 a day consistently.
Yeah, I had a line under that too. Oh, fudge. All right, Ox just taught me out. I'm going to quit trading that. Small win. That's just annoying.
Just can't get any kind of speed today. So slow.
Alright, Jaggy, what you watching, man?
I'm still in this fucking thing.
Oh, back B?
It got under my average by like 2 pennies and then went back up. I just added. Now it's right at my average again.
Is there any volume in that then?
A build of 11 BCF on natural gas. A build of 11 BCF.
To be honest, I got no opinions. I got no opinions for you, Jay. I have no clue what that's going to do.
Natural gas future is pulling back slightly, $3.79.
Nothing great.
Just covered some more.
AL was not as freaking cool as I thought it was going to be today. I'll tell you that much. Thought that was going to have a move. Tim, you got anything up, man?
I'm still watching that ARRY. Have BLM as well. All lacking the same. It's not speed.
Wow, look at this ARRY, man. This area is just rejected over and over again, huh? This 2390s or so. That's a tough one. Probably gonna reject again, but
Just die. Make it worth it.
EYPT.
So I guess what average their trading days. That's just the start.
was ARRY fast on this move up, Tim? Because it looks slow as hell right now.
I pulled it up when it, so honestly I don't.
Oh, gotcha.
I,
It's
however,
definitely not a fast
do
mover as of now.
plan to be making more than that by the end of making 2-3 days.
If it's gonna go straight down, dude.
Honestly, want to start doing it now, but plays to do it.
Covered some more. No, just extreme leftovers now.
ARRY, you suck.
Nope. I just when it went through 50, I just wanted it to
DK
be
reporting the Sony
fast.
Sovereign Wealth Fund increased its Nintendo stake 6%.
Do it.
Trades here as an ADR NTDOY. November Tango Delta Oscar.
Plus, I
Yankee.
was still looking at the daily. It had that 410 pretty mapped out. I thought it would just maybe stupid. Same thing.
Not me.
Slow up and then slow down.
Better than I thought it was going to end up at, so that's good. Go down a little bit more.
The woman too. He just looks bad.
Pack Bizzle.
What?
Pack B.
Yeah.
Are you talking about Pack B?
Yeah, I'm out now.
Yeah, so
It did. It dropped. Not as much as I was hoping, but
Ox is being a jerk.
yeah. Thing is, that I was watching ARY, wanted 2350, but I was in the other one, so I didn't put anything out.
Gotcha.
That would have been a hell of a lot better.
It happens, man. Can't always be in the best ones.
Yeah.
Just start trading 2 at a time.
Just trade everything. If you trade everything, you'll be in something good. I wasn't looking at either of these, so Pack B or RE until too late.
EYPT. EYPT.
EYPT up.
Today was like, I feel like a lot of work for not a lot of gain.
APPH.
Yep. It's green by $1.
APPH.
He's back to high and day.
What is?
CAC B.
GSH is retesting that 200.
Yeah.
For what it's worth.
ARRY still dotting.
Yeah.
All right, I'll be back. I got to go help downstairs. Good luck.
Later.
You, sir. Ooh, boy. This sucks.
IVDA announcing, IVDA announcing $1.5 million Utilus smart pole deployment in Taiwan. That's India Victor and Delta Alpha.
Anybody wanna help me? No.
Help you with what?
Find a trade.
Oxy's dying.
Is it? Not yet. For me. Not quite. Yeah, it's getting there now. That move. You got a lower high. Let's see if we make a lower low.
See if I can find one.
What happened to you yesterday, Thomas? You were gone like all day.
Oh my God! You want to hear that story?
Was it that bad?
Dude, this last 2.5 weeks has been something else.
Really? Yeah, it seems like you've gone, started working from home and you've been working more than ever.
Yeah, well, that working from home, trying to get that, get used to that. But then let's hold up on this conversation until Tim gets off stream.
Gotcha.
You mean? Oh,
off stream.
Gotcha.
You're still streaming.
AMV.
What did you think? Until Tim gets out of the room, I'll tell you about this when Tim.
Yeah, no.
I didn't want Tim to know about my day.
But work-wise, yeah, I was on the phone with QuickBooks for 2 hours yesterday. So yeah, it was fun.
Just posted that first trade of mine, which didn't make me that much money.
President
but there
Biden
it
speaking
is.
now says inflation coming down and giving people breathing room.
All green, but man, nothing big today.
APPH.
CB.
APPH.
I am starving.
RY, Royal Bank of Canada, U.S. Files lawsuit against City National Bank under Federal Fair Housing Act, that according to court records reported by Reuters. That's Romeo Yankee.
Got anything up, Tom?
Just talking to.
Same thing about the.
It's a relative, yeah. Just trying. I'm just asking a bunch of. Like today, CVNA, it actually went higher in pre-market, and it's still up near the same price as yesterday. But today, it's not saying it's restricted.
Oh, so you're asking why that would be?
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to find a ticker that I can check the shares that are restricted, just so I can see what it would look like.
What about that one that we were in yesterday? That was restricted. I don't know if it still is, but it said it was yesterday. Neon, that was it. Oof, look at that chart today, dude, with no volume. Crazy, huh? I'm sorry, dude. And I'm sure it would have just worked out if you would have stayed, but this is what it is.
I tried to just stay, wouldn't let me.
Are you kidding?
Yeah, I stopped. My broker stopped me out. It wasn't me.
Oh, I thought you said you canceled your max loss thing. I
Well,
misunderstood that
I
totally.
raised it. Yeah, I raised it. Give it more.
Oh, so you didn't take it off totally. You just raised
No.
it and it got you. Dude, I'm sorry. I thought you just went totally crazy and said, screw it, I don't have a max loss.
No,
That
if
makes
I
me feel
would have
better
done
that you
that,
didn't do that.
it would have worked.
I know, but still, that would have been also not right.
I mean, what I did, it anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
So Neon, it says it's restricted on the montage, but I check it and it said.
So you
Biden
don't know
says he's
there
ready
either.
to work with House Speaker McCarthy.
You put an order in on IB?
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm going to the order entry screen and then putting the shares in, sell, and then hitting advanced and then check margin. Like that's what you have to do to even check it. But then the window pops up and you have to look at it and it'll tell you like how if it's restricted that in. That's what I'm saying. Like you could keep this window up, but you'd have to type in the ticker, type in the shares, click on advance or sell, click on advanced, then click on check margin. So it's 5 different things you have to do. Then you have to read the box.
LPTH.
So like right now I have 100 shares in Neon in there. Price is 8. So it says the amount is $850. Right.
NG.
President Biden says will veto Republican bills on national sales tax.
LPTH.
Short Oxy one more time.
Biden says House Republicans plan on taxes, says will make inflation worse.
I
President
may
Biden
be getting
taking
biased on
questions
this
now.
shirt.
Biden says that his administration is cooperating fully with review of classified documents. Lawyers finished review Wednesday night, discovered small number of documents. Says material was found in a locked garage.
I don't understand this. Now Biden's hiding classified documents, like the same thing they're accusing Trump of doing, basically.
And his were in a
Biden
locked
says the
garage.
Justice Department was notified.
Just got stopped
immediately.
out of Oxy. And Biden's were in a locked garage.
That's what they said. It was locked, bro. It's fine. Just because it was my garage doesn't mean I was the one looking at it.
Like his garage at his house?
I have no idea. Funny one.
Oh. Oh, so we don't know that it was in a garage. You made that up.
No, we know it was in a garage. I was being funny saying it was his garage.
Oh, okay. It wasn't a garage, though. That's not a joke.
Correct, and it was locked.
He's like, but it was locked. That's secure. That's crazy. So tired of politics, man. They're all freaking hypocrites.
That's why I don't even pay attention to it.
I don't either. That's why I barely knew the news. I briefly heard something somewhere. I don't know where I heard it.
I just heard it. It was Charlie. He just said it.
No, that might have been Charlie actually that said it the other day or something. That's might.
Oh,
be
you
where I heard
mean
it.
like in general? I mean, I saw.
Yeah,
it,
I'm saying
but
I didn't really know what the news was. Just that they said Biden something with some secure data. I don't know. That's all I do. And I was like, God, now they got Trump and Biden. Like Trump's going down for the same thing Biden's doing. Give me a break. They're all sucky. I feel like we're to the point where there's just no such thing as a good politician.
But he's not Trump, so it's okay.
Trump, Biden, same. Obama, Clinton, same. How far back should we go? Ooh, AAL. Dude, I want AAL to fall to 1534 so bad I can taste it. Let's check it out. But dude, it's just not telling me to get in it, so.
Allah making a squeeze off the bottom.
We don't have shares, so it doesn't matter, but. What a poopy day for a day that we had numbers come out. PDD is not doing jack. AMD looks like trash unless you shorted the bell. Yeah, I'm gonna go make myself my morning. I've been doing oatmeal in the morning and then eggs a little later now. I'm gonna go make my morning oatmeal.
Oh, we're gonna.
I like it. It's nice in the winter. True that, dude. I hunt for the bargain eggs.
This is when people like Jag are like, suckers. Jag done started a side business.
Heva. Heva. SG. APPH. MNTS. Acer. APPH.
US FAA says operations are back to normal, seeing no unusual delays or cancellations after Wednesday's computer outage.
Check this avocado. This thing is freaking. Avocados. It's freaking beautiful. I was probably cutting out that. I was just saying how like perfectly soft and ripe this.
MNTS. 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 MNTS.
Hanbella, ticker PBLA, announces a 1-for-40 reverse stock split effective January 13th. S&P futures pulling back here, now down about 0.3% for the session.
Later, Adley. All right, everybody. Not the day that I was hoping for, but I'm gonna go so I can eat. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll be here tomorrow. We're also closed on Monday. The market's closed for Martin Luther King. Yeah, not the day I was hoping for. I was hoping to get a few good trades, but really nothing really came up at all. Hopefully tomorrow's a little bit better, and hopefully the overall market picks up so we can stay away from the idiotic trades like we had yesterday after the stream. So I will see you all tomorrow morning. Stay safe, and until then, peace out.